Babe. Baby. Lola. Hey, Lola. Hey, Lola. You saying hi to the camera? Saying hi to the camera? Gym equipment. Why would I put my gym equipment there? This is my fiance, guys. Say hi, fiance. This is going on my. This is going on my channel. She's gonna just keep her back turned for the rest of the video. Well, can they see the baby at least? Jesus, that's Xavier, Damien, Murata, our little king. Yo, what's going on, guys? I'm back with another video, and today is a little bit of an exciting day. I get to install my agency power crank pulley kit. Now, before I decided to, install it, I actually was reading a little bit on the forums, going on YouTube, checking out what people's thoughts were on installing the crank pulley kit, and I've been hearing 50-50 reviews. And I said, you know what, F it, I'm going to go ahead and pull the trigger and get it installed anyways. Plus, I think my serpentine belt is getting a little worn out. So yeah, I'm going to go head over to Van Nuys right now and go to my guys over at Original Auto and install that crank pulley kit. And I'll be sure to give you guys some reviews after it's installed, let you guys know what I think. Alright, I'm back. I had to make a quick stop and just get some cash. I figured it'd be best to kind of give you guys a brief background of who I am, what I do. I'm 34 years old. Fuck, how old am I? Honestly, after you pass 30, you stop counting. I'm 34 years old, about to be 35. I was born in 85, so yeah, 34 years old. God damn, I can't believe I almost forgot. I am a little bit over 2 years sober. I struggled really bad with addiction. I was really into drinking like 6 days a week, 7 days a week, doing a lot of drugs, from weed, cocaine, smoking a pack of cigarettes a day. Pretty much just changed my whole life around. As we continue with the videos, I'm sure I'll tap a little bit more in detail about it. I'm also a personal trainer. I got a brand called Club 360 Fit. Yo, anyways, on a side note, damn, I just passed my exit. You guys ever go on autopilot and you're not minding or paying any attention to the exits? That's what just happened right now. Yo, check this out right here. I totally thought someone was just staring at me. Fucking creeper. Alright, we're here at Original Auto in Van Nuys. She got my car tuned here, over there. We're about to get that crank pulley installed. Oh, she's sexy. She's so sexy, sexy. Not just sexy, she's sexy, sexy. One day. So we're coming across an issue. The alternator pulley, the aftermarket ones, the hole seems to be a little bit smaller than the stock one. So we kind of have to slightly modify it so it goes in. It's kind of stupid because it should be a direct fitment. Why won't my pops go forward? That's my dad right there, by the way. Had to go on a quick in and out run. I wish I could totally record my pops trying to pull on me, but anyways, I was on my way home from In and Out. Ran into my pops at the light. I had to show him what the new crank pulley can do. Not a big, huge difference, but it did help even a little more. That's my pops with the 650. Go after I go. So I have good news and bad news. Good news, the crank pulley fit. However, the alternator pulley wouldn't fit. We even tried to modify it a little bit and make the hole bigger. And even then, when we got it to fit, it wouldn't rotate. So on a good note though, we got the crank pulley installed. My serpentine belt was shot, so it came with a serpentine belt. I drove the car, did a couple pulls on the way home. I can definitely feel a difference. Would I say it's worth it? I would say so far. I want to drive it a little bit more, fill it out. Anyways, there's the Q50. She's sexy too. I'll be doing videos about her too, but she's stock right now. It's actually a car I got from my fiance, but yeah, look at her. Anyways, look, check out my, I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Make sure to subscribe, share, and comment, and let's get it. More videos coming soon. Peace.
Don't play with me, that's the only thing I love. I love, 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 love. I love,